We're investigating material science. Get your microscope eyes ready because we're zooming in on microstructures.
Because of my role, I'm invited to a lot of different opportunities. And a couple of years ago, I was invited to something that was called Nourish the Future. And while I was there learning about it, I met someone named Jean Kogalski. And Jean and I hit it off, had some great conversation. And she happened to mention to me the Ceramic and Glass Industry Foundation. She was familiar with my work on Curious Crew. And she said, you know, you guys might have a potential partnership there. Favorite one from the kit is one that I call Wonder Wire now, which was one of the discrepant events that I did in the opening of Material Science. I mean, that's knit no wire. It's just an amazing thing that it can actually straighten itself out. And if you got to see that episode, we made a big deal of showing that in slow motion, how we can see it coiled, and then as soon as it has that temperature change, boom, straightens out, and yet the steel wire does nothing. And so that is a great, perplexing phenomenon and a wonderful way to start the show. So this is all about discrepant events at the beginning, phenomenon-based instruction, the fact that we are going to be demystifying scientific modeling and the importance of trying to figure out science ideas, which, let's face it, that's authentic and super exciting.
So I'm sure you'll all agree, material science can be pretty sweet. So remember, my friends, stay curious and keep experimenting.